All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. I want to do a quick one. I just want to show us we're on a particular trade right now, and then I want to show us why we took that trade and what is happening currently in the market. And I will be laying more emphasis majorly on imbalance in the market. Imbalance. Okay. There are a lot of factors we consider before taking this trade, but I want to lay more emphasis on imbalance. Okay. So imbalance is just like a situation in the market where you see either a bullish or bearish candle having an impulsive move. All right, let's just say you see a green, depending on your chart coloration, you see a green candle pushing up very fast, no interference by the red candle. Okay, no interference, just moving up like that. It is an imbalance, and the market moves always come to do what, to close it. All right, so when we're waiting for this to happen, we actually saw an imbalance at this particular region here, right? And then we wait. So the market actually broke structure. Yeah, there was a market structure shift, but then it first started with a liquidity grab. That is, it broke the structure with a wick. So when it came to this point now, it actually broke structure with a candle close. Okay, so we now saw this imbalance here, just like I told us, and we believe that market must always come to take that imbalance. We don't know when, we don't know how long, we don't know how when it will do that, but we know that that place must be closed back. Okay, so imbalance is actually another way for you to take your entries with other things that you need to put to add up to your confirmations. Okay, and so market came, and after the consolidation here, we entered, though we entered very late, but then we actually caught some pips around here. We are currently on this trade, as you can see. And another thing that you need to know is that your stop loss, you need to place your stop loss strategically. Okay, you need to place your stop loss strategically, and for you to be profitable. Okay, so now this one now is the current trade that we are taking. Now let me show us another examples about this imbalance of a thing. Okay, about this imbalance, I know fair value gap is also another one, but then I just want to show us this imbalance. Let's check another pair. Let's say GBP USD. Let's check if we can find an imbalance here. Sorry, I'm using my trading platform direct because I'm not doing any analysis. So all right, let's check if we can find. Okay, so imbalance actually works. Okay, it's actually played out. Now you can see, right, you can see at this point this imbalance. Now let me show you something. In the other trade, we also saw a double top at that particular trade that we are in now. So we also saw a double top, which indicates a downward movement, right? Which indicate a very strong downward movement. Okay, so I'm just trying to see if I can see anyone. Okay, so you can see here there's an imbalance here, right? So the market actually came down to this, came all the way to this place to close it. Are you seeing from here to here? The market actually closed that imbalance. All right, so all right, same thing here. As you can see, same thing here, all right. This is an imbalance at this region, right? This came and closed it. I'm also seeing a double top there, but I don't think it's strong enough. Okay, as you can see here as well, it came and closed it. All right, came and closed it. And sometimes it takes time. Okay, sometimes it takes time. Sometimes it takes a lot of time before it closes. All right. Wow. Okay, so this is just what I want to show us. Okay, and it actually works. Let me check my synthetics. Okay, if I can find anyone there. Okay, wow, see guys, I seen here, this is a very strong imbalance here, right here. So the markets came and took it. If you watch very well, I think there's a double top as well in that area. Came and took it and closed this imbalance at this place. Most times when the imbalance is closed, the market will reverse, especially when it close and break a structure and have a change of character. Rather, when it closes and have a change of character, it will pull back. Okay, most times it will close the imbalance and still continue the downward or upward movement, all right, depending on the overall trend of the market. That's why I say that not just because imbalance will be taken by the market or will be balanced up or will be closed, that you will just enter like that. There are other parameters, there are other things that you need to use to back up your entry. Okay, but then imbalance actually works. All right, imbalance actually works. Sometimes you can use trend line as well to back it up. Okay, to back it up. As you can see, I'm seeing double top in this place. If you zoom your chart, this is not trading view, but we can still see one or two things from here. All right, let me still show us more. Let's see. All right, I'm also seeing chart patterns here. Okay, this is an imbalance, right, with a very good double top. I seen a very good double top. This market has been on downtrend for a very long time. See, there's a double top here. There's a double top here, right? Now, there's a double top here again. Very strong downward movement. Very strong downward movement. And so there's an imbalance as well, right? Okay. So as you can see, this is also an imbalance and market took it as well. You can see, right? It's an imbalance. It was closed here. An imbalance. It was closed. So market will always close it. Market, see, as you can see from here now, see, this is an imbalance. Market close it around this area here. Around this area. I seen, guys. All right. So this is just it. This is just it, guys. Anytime you see an imbalance in the market, just know that we don't really know when it will do, because sometimes market can dance and dance. Sometimes it can range within a particular zone and before taking out the imbalance. Okay, and but what we know is that the imbalance will be taken. So the major thing is that how to set your stop loss, how to position your stop loss strategically so that it will not take you before the game happens. Okay, that's an imbalance as well. I see it's an imbalance. Just show us. Okay, as you can see, right, like this one now, this is a double top. Okay, but then it took time. I seen it took time. In fact, to an extent, there was an accumulation here. All right, but eventually it took it out. It closed it, and then as soon as it closed it in this scenario, it ranged and then reversed. All right. Wow. So that is it. Let me check this one. Okay. Let me also check this and see if we can find any. I believe self that you've been able to see what I'm trying to show us in this video. Let's check and see this one, right? See this one, right? It closed it. Yeah, around along this area, right? It closed it. So stick to what works for you, guys. Stick to what works for you, okay? Stick to what works for you. But I'm just trying to show us for educational sake. Stick to what works for you. But know that whenever you see an imbalance in the market, it must be taken. It must be taken. These are all our previous drawings, and just to try and see if we can find entry. So guys, this is what I want to show us, and I believe that it's going to help somebody to gain more insight in the market. I'll be doing a video on trend line in a very simplified way. Keep an eye on this channel. I'll be doing a very simple video on trend line, simplify it for us to actually understand. Okay, so guys, please make sure you share this video. If you know that you learned something today, make sure you share this video, please and please. As you can see, our channel is growing, so please support us, help us share the video to as many as possible. And then please and please, don't just watch and pass. Please subscribe. We really appreciate you, we really love you. Please subscribe to our channel, click the notification button, so that whenever we upload new videos, you also get in touch with it and watch and learn from it. And comment in case you want us to improve on anything, or there's any video you want us to make. Please comment. Let's grow together. All right guys, thank you so much, and do have a nice day and a nice trading time ahead.